Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1960 C10 two-wheel drive pickup. It's a complete turnkey engine ready to go. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brass freeze plugs painted the Chevrolet orange, proper oil pan for the C10. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Real nice Taylor ignition wires, the orange wires, made in USA with the wire markers. We have the Edelbrock intake on here, aluminum intake, Holley sniper fuel injection system on there. Every engine is live run for over an hour. The complete Holley sniper system will be all tested and tuned. The menu screen will be all set up, ready to go for the customer. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand with all the readings, pictures of the entire engine build sent to you. We have these real nice Chevrolet valve covers on here with the matching air cleaner, Chevrolet air cleaner, proper thermostat housing, thermostats in there, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, so you have firewall clearance for the C10. That's real important. We have the 168 tooth standard flywheel on here, proper balance and tooth count for the customer's C10. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. The heavy duty Russell fuel line with the gas filter for the Holley Sniper EFI. Customer's getting the chrome Raptor pulley kit on here. This is a self-tensioning belt tensioner on here, so that keeps the belt at the perfect tension. 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor, reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup on the stud. It's a real nice system. Later on, if you want to hook up power steering, these two bolts here, you can get the bracket and put the power steering pump right on there. This customer's running electric power steering, so he doesn't need that. That's a nice feature. So there you have it, 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business for over 50 years, family owned and operated. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.